Hey everyone, if you use iPhone, here is a serious question. Should you stick with the Apple's built-in applications or replace everything with Google applications? Because in 2026, both the ecosystems are better than ever, but they feel completely different. So let's compare them properly in this video. So first of all, starting with the Google applications. So here we have apps like Gmail, Google Maps, Chrome, Google Photos, and Google Calendar that are still packed with a lot of features. Google's AI tools in 2026 are honestly ahead in many areas, especially search, smart organization, photo recognition, and productivity. Google Apps are better for cross-platform users, for people that are using the Windows and the iPhone together, collaboration and sharing, powerful search features, and cloud storage and syncing. And honestly, if you switch between different types of devices often, Google's ecosystem feels more flexible. But the only downside that here is many users still worry about the privacy and the data tracking. Now, let's talk about Apple applications. So apps like Apple Maps, Safari, Apple Notes, Mail, and Calendar have improved massively by 2026. The biggest strength is integration. Everything works together smoothly with iPhone, Mac, AirPods, Apple Watch, and iCloud. Apple apps are also very clean, fast, and less cluttered and more battery efficient. And the privacy is also a huge selling point now. Apple focuses much more on the device processing and the minimal tracking. And the downside is that some of the applications still feel less advanced as compared to the Google's smarter AI features. So the real question here is which ecosystem is actually better for iPhone users? So the answer that I can give you is that if you want the smartest features and the strongest productivity tools, Google Apps probably wins. But if you care more about simplicity, privacy, and smooth iPhone integration, Apple apps honestly feel better day by day. And in reality, most of the iPhone users in 2026 mix both the ecosystems together. So if this comparison helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.